Well, looks like the apprentice is busy here, doing some serious vacuuming. Seems to be enjoying it. I know Dad won't want to be crawling around there with a whole bunch of crap in there, so how long you been at this?
Well, a few hours now.
Yeah, well,
Gotta be clean.
gotta be clean.
You want to be told 3 times.
Yeah, oh yeah.
You're just here over lunch hour. Right?
Yeah.
Okay, hang on a minute.
So, March 1st,
Yeah,
brand new month.
brand new month.
Yeah, how are things going?
Well, every time I come in the morning, we start over fresh because he forgets where he left off. He sleeps so good.
Yeah.
Even the dogs don't get out at night.
Oh, okay.
I never dreamt so good in my life.
So how does it feel to be cruising towards 82 and now be a YouTube influencer? You reached 1,000 subscribers last night.
Oh,
And you're in the top 10% of YouTube channels.
I'm happy for you because you're doing the YouTube.
Nobody's watching me, they're watching you.
And I'm doing what I like. So
Your granddaughter thinks it's amazing that her 81-year-old grandfather's a YouTube influencer now.
Yeah. Okay, this is what I'm making this morning.
Okay, yeah.
New ones of these.
New track adjusters, yeah.
Yeah. And no, just for a lock.
Oh, just the lock, okay.
That mount. And these are in, and these are greaseless, so that's the way to go.
Yeah.
And I'll hook this up and get them centered. And I had to take the door off, the back door, because it had a broken screw, 2 good screws and 3 good screws here.
Yeah.
But they were so small and so fine that they're no good, eh?
Yeah.
So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put real door hinges in here,
Okay.
like the hinges, the rest of the hinges.
Yeah, yeah.
That way you can tip the door down, slide it off sideways and go put it away, and you can work on the rad or whatever.
Yeah, perfect. Okay.
I don't know if I ever told you this story about a good friend of mine. When I was working with Toco, they sent a foreman down from Thompson. His name was Yvonne. I worked with him on 2 different jobs, one in the summer building road and one in the winter. So anyway, he was telling me when he was a kid, he's from Quebec, eh? And his grandfather lived out in the country, and they had about 16 grandchildren. So 1st of July, he used to go out to the road, stop the bus, load all the kids, and then go to the next town. That's where the fair was.
Okay.
So anyway, bus comes along, they all get in there, the bus is full now. So the bus driver takes off, and a mile up the road is another old guy standing on the side of the road with a cane. So the bus driver opens the door and he says, "You can get in, but you're going to have to stand up." Yeah, I could do that. So he gets in there and he's hanging onto the luggage rack up here and a cane on the floor, and the bus takes off and he slides like this with the cane, and he winds up right beside Grandpa. And Grandpa says, if you put a rubber on the end of that cane, it won't slide so much. And this old Frenchman says, if you put a rubber on, I would have someplace to sit.
There you
I
go.
thought that was pretty good.
Yeah.
And that's a true story.
Yeah, yeah.
Yvonne lives in PA, and if he happens to hit onto this, he'll like it.
Yeah,
I'm
okay.
sure.
So, are we still playing nice in the shop?
Oh yeah. First
Yeah.
thing I learned is the tools don't go on the bench with grease on them.
No. Gotta clean them, put them away correctly. Clean as you go.
I won't
So,
forget that.
yeah, yeah, good. And,
Okay, I think we should have a coffee because Ralph's got to go back to work.
yeah. So, yeah, Dad's at 1,000K subscribers. You're not going to see this video for a couple of weeks, but With just 1,000 subscribers, he's literally in the top 10% of YouTube channels. And his granddaughter thinks that's just amazing. And like I said, nobody's watching me, they're watching Dad. And the only thing Dad asks every day, any comments.
Yeah.
Loves to hear the comments from the guys. I do try to respond to every single comment.
Bad or ugly.
Yeah, and I do let Dad know all the comments he's getting, so we do appreciate it. And for those who haven't subscribed yet, just hit that subscribe button, and we do videos 4 days a week, Tuesdays, Thursdays, Saturdays, and Sundays. And Dad is always available for a phone call. Vice is free, but work will cost you.
Have the odd little bit of trouble with him, but he can't help it. He's
Yeah.
Irish. Eh?
Oh, you're Irish. Okay.
Hi, Alicia.
Yeah. Okay, I get. Is that the bride or?
No, that's my daughter.
Oh, your daughter. Okay.
And then his wife said that his bed is getting cold, so he tell me about it. And I said, well, just tell her start without you.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Go like this.
Yeah.
And there you are.
Wow, that's nice.
Looks nice.
It does look
That's
nice.
his two fancy locks. Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. What did you teach him last night?
Oh, we were talking about arm wrestling and whatnot, and I asked him, have you ever tried that trick where you slide up so you're flush with the edge of the chair, keep your feet 4 inches apart, the other guy comes up and he sits on the edge of the chair and he puts his knees against mine,
Yeah.
and then we say when we're ready and I try to open them, eh? So anyway, his spring wasn't very good, so I told him, well then, go on my knees and press here and see how it works.
Hey, wait. He's got some pull, your dad.
Oh yeah.
Got some pull.
He's got more energy than a guy 20 years younger than him. So
I know that.
yeah. So yeah.
30 years.
Uh,
Hey, 30 years and I can't do it.
Brian Mulrooney died yesterday, and Dad got 1,000 Ks subs. So that's where it is.
Oh, I hope that after Brian died, they went and looked in the top drawer of all the clothes closets to make sure that there wasn't something stashed in there that he forgot.
Yeah.